Hello, name is EZRA ONDARA, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. Folks, if you are looking for a 2-bedroom apartment in Nakuru, especially a cozy house, okay, for rent in Nakuru, check no further than this one here, okay? So these are 3 units in the entire compound in here, just 3 of them. So you guys have a lot of space, you know, to enjoy all for you. So it is exactly 6 p.m. lakini kazi lazima iendelee, hatujafunga kazi bado. Alright, so from here I can spot the highway, okay? I can spot the highway pale. From here I can spot the highway. Yeah, you see? That is the highway. Okay, that is the Nakuru Nairobi highway, and I am at Barnabas. Our landmark here is the Buraha Zenoni Hotel and Resort. Okay, that is our landmark. So we have these 2-bedroom units there, 3 of them in that entire plot of I think 50 by 100, just 3 units. So they have this sliding gate here. All right, nice, just slide it. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, nice. You see, so they have that sliding gate there, okay, which is awesome. Yeah, isn't it? Okay, nice, up to that point. Exactly. Now just see the amount of parking space that you have here. I'm telling you, and it is just 3 homes, just 3 homes. So I want to go inside one of the completed homes here, one that is ready for occupation, like immediately. And so you have a look of how they did their things here. And I'm telling you, it is really cozy, and the finishes, they are top notch. I'm telling you, you're going to see it for yourself. So that is their water tower. Okay, here they have water from the city county, okay, connected here. So, and yeah, that is a 300-watt solar light. It's just above there. Okay, so one more time at the, okay, you know, that is just your parking space. Now I told you we have just 3 units, so I'm standing on the face of this unit here, unit 1. This one is ready for occupation, like right now. If you want it tomorrow, come and take this unit. Okay, now let's go inside. Let's go inside like this. Now just notice the first thing we see, you know, it is the beautiful tile work, okay, which is a combination of white and black. You know, that black just creates, you know, a nice contrast there. So they have a nice door here, okay, for security, you know, and then the lock, that is good quality lock. Okay, now when we come in like this, that is the lounge there. I mean, it is really a cozy, beautiful space. That is the lounge, okay, from where I'm standing. That entire space is the lounge. Beautiful. Again, just look at the tile work, you know, and then the paint work. You know, I noticed most people, they like this brilliant white paint in their homes. And now we have this beautiful downlight right there. Just have a look at that. You know, it's really beautiful. And of course, we have the addition of these wall lamps there. 3 of them. Those ones don't have bulbs for now. So you will come with, you know, with some bulbs. You put there, you know, whether you like the blue ones, the warm ones, the white ones, you know, you will just decide. So we have an electric socket, power socket here, and another one on that end. There's another one there with a TV socket as well, and there's another one on that corner as well with a TV socket as well. So you decide where you want to place your TV between those 2 options. Okay, so standing like this, I told you it is 6 p.m. so it's getting dark, but I'm telling you, that window, just look at that window. It is really a huge window, and that one during the day, imagine you just draw the curtains and the shears, you know, they just filter in the light coming to your to the house. Yeah, so it's not going to be, you know, a dark space. Just look at that, you know, one more time. Okay, we are doing this video at 6 p.m. I just happened to come across this crib and I'm like, wait a minute, I have to present this now. So what you're looking straight ahead, that is the common toilet and a bathroom. They are in separate rooms, okay? And yeah, so we have that mirror there, and a wash basin right there. Really wonderful. Just look at the faucets that these guys have put in this house. Very nice faucets. So there is water. You know, we talked about water. We have seen it is flowing, and yeah, so there is more storage, you know, underneath that wash basin. All right. So this is the bathroom. Look at the tile work again, even in the bathroom. Really beautiful. I'm telling you, this home, when it comes to finishing, it's awesome. You know, it's really awesome. Even look at the door there with those wainscoting, you know, on the door. Really nice. The tile work again, the bathroom tiles all white. This is brilliant, I'm telling you. Okay, most folks love this kind of finishing in their units. You know, most folks love the brilliant white. It just pops. Okay, so there is the toilet. Okay, there is the toilet seat, and that is the toilet room. Okay, I mean, there is light, you know, in both of them. So for these ones, I don't think you're going to need to come with bulbs. Okay. All right, so on that side is another lovely space that I really liked here, and that is the kitchen. So just see from where I'm standing here, okay, on the kitchen, on the door leading to the kitchen. Look at the amount of space you have there. Kusema tu kweli, just look at that. Look at that for sure. This is a cozy house, okay? And most importantly, it is just for 3 people. The entire establishment, just for 3, okay? No crowd here. Even in the kitchen, we have a light there already. So you're not going to buy these things. You just bring your items, bring your clothes, bring your kitchen items, etc., and you know, continue with life. Now imagine the way I'm just standing like this, I just reached out to this cabinetry with ease, you know, so the height there is really, you know, easy to get to, you know, to items in the cabinetry there, and you have a lot of storage. Just look at that, you know, when it comes to the worktop space again, you know, look at that, you know, we have a granite worktop there, and some socket there. This is your that thing that you used to buy tokens, you know, for Kenya Power. So that space is enough for a 4-burner gas cooker. A 6-burner, I'm sorry, it won't fit, okay? But another thing to love here is the double sink. Just look at that, you know, they have a double sink, which is just wonderful, you know. Just look at this, okay? It's a double sink, all right? Double sink, okay? And again, during the day, that window as well really allows, you know, enough natural light to come into this space. Just look at the finishing here, the tile work in the kitchen. I mean, there's a lot to love in this crib, and I'm doing this video almost at night. You know, it's 6 p.m. now. It is like 6:10 there. And we are out here working. So drawing back like that, I come to the backyard here. So this is the backyard, okay? It is a shared backyard again, right, all the way down. So on the backyard, we have an additional tap here for, wow, that is good pressure. That is good pressure. Let me just, you know, lock it, Evo. So sometimes, you know, maybe, okay, we don't have space for a laundry machine inside. Sijaona. So out here, hapa ndo pa kufua manguo. Okay, utajipanga. Kama uko na laundry machine pia, I'm sure there's a way unaweza jipanga hapa. You can even do a canopy here so that uzuie maji, then you install it somewhere. I don't know, utajipanga tu. Hapo itabidi tuangalie vizuri. Hapo utajipanga in a way. Alright, so still on the backyard. It is a shared backyard kule kote, but at least, you know, kama nyumba yako inafika mahala hapa, you know that is your space. Like this one reaches right here. So this one, you know, that basin there, kind of a basin, belongs to that house. Okay, let's continue. And each house has got their individual water meter. Like this is for the particular house that we are looking at. So they will just be doing the reading, and they give you your reading of your usage of water. Okay, this is one of my favorite part here. Look at that kitchen, kusema tu kweli. Beautiful, you know, beautiful kitchen. I love it. Okay, now let's check out the bedrooms. So it is a 2-bedroom house, none en suite, okay? So there is none that is en suite, but still there is a lot to love here. Look at the tile work again. It is just uniform throughout the entire house. These ones, they are so classy. You know, they are so classy. Just look at that. The size of the bedroom, the floor space there, a 6x6 will fit, I have no doubt. 5x6 is perfect for me, so that I have even much room to move around. Look at the, you know, wardrobes there from roof to ceiling. Let's just open and see how the organization looks like in there. Wacha tuangalie. Nice. I love this. But perfect. Look at that. You know, look at that organization for the wardrobes there. You know, so whether you want to fold clothes or hang some, we have even extra storage underneath here. It's just beautiful. You know, this is awesome. This is good organization of the wardrobes there. Okay, so again, one more look like that and so forth. I mean, the white just pops. If I had done this video like during the day, it could have popped even more. Okay, let's check out the other bedroom, which is on the opposite here. This one is front facing. Front facing, I mean, it faces the compound right there. So again, the floor space, again, the tires, I mean, they are just classy, I'm telling you. So it is the same size as the one we just left. So you will decide which one to have as your master bedroom. Even the storage, it is just similar, you know, from roof to ceiling. Okay, but here we have this additional big, you know, shelves there. Look, you know, look at that. You know, those shelves, and there are 3 of them down here. Okay, I don't know which one is supposed to be the master bedroom, but you folks will decide. Sindio? Mimi kazi yangu ni kuwaletea hizi nyumba. Maybe my job is to discover these hidden gems. This one is just here at Barnabas. Look at that. Kinda different organization from the other one, which is good, you know. This is good. At least you have options, you know. You have something different for each bedroom. This is nice. I love this. The finishing here is just awesome. So the bed, there's a bed switch down there. So the bed should, I presume it will go like that. The headboard will be on that direction. Yeah, it makes sense. So that when you wake up, you know, you have that window on that side. Folks, rate this home in a score of 1 to 10. Okay? In the 2-bedroom category, apartments for rent, ebu rate this one. Tuone mnazipea max ngapi jameni. I love this crib. I love it. Okay? I just love it. The organization, the finishing, is just awesome. You know, it is just awesome. The paintwork, the brilliant white, that's where they nailed it. Okay, so here they have done a warm light. That's why when we come here, you see it you know, it's kind of browny, but it is awesome. It is awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, and all this is in Barnabas, in the city of Nakuru. Just imagine. These are things you never knew about Nakuru until EZRA ONDARA arrived. Wow. I just pulled back. Look at the size of that window again. Just one more time. Wow, this is just wonderful. Okay, let's wind it up right here. Yes, I love this crib. No doubt. I love it. I just love the brilliant white paint, the finishes. Oh my goodness, their tile work. There is a lot to love in this crib. This one is on the market for 20,000 Kenya shillings. That is the rent. Just 70 meters from the highway. Have you heard that key track in Evita Pale? From the Nakuru-Nairobi highway at Barnabas, 70 meters from the highway. Rent 20,000. Water you have seen, you know, it is there. Electricity, I mean, there is light. Jameni. Okay, so mpaka hapo, our office line is 0791055678. If you call me in my old line, I may not pick SAAP, but if you call the office line, they will respond immediately. 0791055678. Take this nyumba jamani. We have 3. Imagine just leaving 3 of you. So this parking, itakuwa tu na gari 3. Okay, if you have cars, all of you. So if one has a car, the rest is just a playground. If If you have children, I don't know. If you work from home, this is the perfect place to be. If you work from home, like you don't go to town every now and again, this is the perfect place to be. I'm telling you, I love this crib. I'm in love with it. But I have a place I'm staying already. It's okay. Haya, so mpaka hapo, sinivo? Look at this. Share a full count. Niambie, tell me about the bathroom. Tell me about the bathroom. Share a full count. Just comment. Tell me about the finishes. Tell me something. All right, let's get out of here. Sindio?